everyone, I'm Cheryl and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Growth with Cheryl, where I share all about productivity, growth mindset, and tutorials on how to manage your folders, tasks, and everything else. In this video, as you might have understood from the title, I'm going to tell you how to get started on using Notion to manage all your tasks. Of course, using Notion is a vast process, but in this video, I will keep it fairly simple. This is meant for those users who have only heard of Notion, but never really had themselves get started on the platform. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see on my screen, I already have the Notion software installed on my system. If you are using a Windows system, you can download it for your desktop as well. I do not use the browser app. Rather, I've installed it on my system. I'm using a Mac iOS. To get started and sign up on Notion, all the links will be on the description of this video. So check the links out. Alright, so once you have signed up, you need to log in into your account. And this is how your dashboard will look like. However, I already have a few pages that I use on an everyday basis. So you can see one of my dashboards. Alright, so now what do you do first? Now on your dashboard, you can see the several pages or the most recent visits. You can also integrate your Google Calendar as well. So you can check out all your to-dos. And on the view screen, you will also see several templates provided by Notion itself. Since this is a demo video, I'm going to start with the very basics on how to start with your first page. Alright, so first I will go to the private tab out here and I'll click on add a page. Fairly simple. Then you need to add or rename your new page and putting it as my to-do list. Sorry about that. Now what I like doing here is I always add an icon because it really helps me to, get a visual understanding of where my page is. Then something really cool about Notion is you can add a cover. You can also change these covers. You can check out on Unsplash. There are several, sample images as well. You can upload something if you like. Let me just choose this for now and copy. I like this. You can even reposition this image to make your cover page look better. Alright, so this is your first page where you can start adding all your content that you want to. Now, if you want a better view of this, you can simply hide the panel out here and there you go. Now on Notion, you can add in different callouts, tabs, pages as well. Since this is the beginner's video to getting started, I will keep it fairly simple. So you already have the title of the page that you've created, which is about to-do list. So when you want to add any item within your Notion page, all you need to do is simply click on the / button on your keyboard. Next, you will see that you have various different types of items that you can add. For this video purpose, I am adding the to-do list because that's what this page is all about. So I will write complete university assignments, go language, make friends, go number 1 at table. Now, once you have completed any of these tasks, you can simply hover over the tick box and check it. So that's how you can simply complete your tasks. Now, let's say you want to add anything else. So for instance, if you want to add any reflection from your to-do list, you can simply again click on the / keypad and then perhaps I'll go with heading 3. You can also click on / 3 and that is how it will appear. Now, reflections of the university inside. Now, if you want to reflect on how your experience went, all you need to do now is simply start writing. You can start writing in paragraphs, or you can simply, again, if you want to bulleted points, you can simply, again, click on / and the hyphen, and that will create your bulleted list. That's a shortcut out there. And now you can start writing. I did find interesting journalists on human psychology determines. So yeah, this is how you can keep adding all your bullets and reflections. Of course, within a page, you can add much more like images, links, PDFs, you can embed documents as well. But for that, I'm going to create other dedicated videos. So stay tuned on my channel. Now, let's say you wish to share this with someone, perhaps your friend. All you need to do is simply add that email ID out here and click on invite. You can even publish your Notion pages on the web. I will again create another dedicated video for it. And if you want to keep it private, you can simply just keep this to yourself. And you can also star your page because that becomes easier for you to navigate and find your page through your dashboard. And finally, when you click on the three dots on the top right corner, you'll also see that you can change the font as per your liking. I usually go with the default. I really like that. And if you wish to export the page, you can even do that. There are various formats that you can export it in, like PDF, HTML, Markdown, and CSV. So simply click on export PDF and then simply export it, and your to-do list will be exported as a PDF. So I hope you liked watching today's video. If there's anything else you would like me to create about using Notion, then put it down in the comments below. I'm going to simply save this document for now, and there you go, it's saved. Alright, I hope you liked watching today's video. Share this with your friends who want to get started on Notion. Stay tuned to Growth with Cheryl, and all my social links are in the description. Alright, have a good productive day ahead. Bye bye.